What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can create videos with Canva. As you can see, we're already on the website. Make sure you have your account so that we can start making videos. So first, click the video. While we are in the video tab to create a design, click Video 1080. As you can see, we can begin making a video. You can choose any design for your video like mine. I will choose this. And I will only choose one because I want to make my edit unique. So point the cursor to the design you want, unless you want both of them. So you can click apply both pages. You can double click the text if you want to edit, as you can see in the video. You can add an element, which is located at the left of your screen. I'll be adding this element. You can delete it if you want to put text with graphics, for example, like thank you, and drag it. You can add more design if you want, as you can see in the video. You can drag the clip if you want to choose which part of the clip you want to start, and that's basically it.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.